you have to have a very good understanding of the attributes around your site. There's clearly a learning curve to go on. So what I would suggest is that today sites that are largely urban or suburban, that are supporting relatively affluent neighbourhoods, or see commuters travelling through, would be ideal for testing out your EV strategy. I think you also need to be aware of the physical constraints of your site, making sure that you have access to the power, and making sure that you have the right kind of physical layout to be able to support EV charging. The third thing I would suggest that you looked at would be to look at what grants and support are available for you in terms of setting up EV and pushing that through. And certainly, some of the examples we heard today were that in certain circumstances, local government, local councils are asking for EV chargers to go into new sites as part of a planning application, or indeed the granting of that planning. I think once you understand those things, you move over to the commercial side. And today there are a set of data that suggests that a certain investment will give you a return if those conditions are applied. But as we move through the next 5 years and EV becomes more ubiquitous, we'll see those change. And so one of the key things is, whatever you do today, that return on investment and that case will need to evolve as we move through a higher level of adoption.